Thank you, Your Excellency, President Jae-myung Lee. Your Excellencies, I'm indeed grateful for this opportunity to speak on this issue, and I sincerely thank the Republic of Korea for their leadership this month. We now live in a world where our lives are reliant on digital technologies. In line with the Pact of the Future, technological advancements and enhanced artificial intelligence can support peace and security by improving human capacity to detect, prevent, and manage conflict. But AI cannot resolve them on its own. Peace is ultimately a human process involving trust, justice, and political will. AI is a digital tool, not a solution in itself. AI can analyze conflict prevention and early warning for timely intervention by governments and organizations. AI strengthens defenses against cyber attacks and the spread of disinformation. It can also detect online hate speech or extremist recruitment. In conflict zones, including in states affected by climate change and natural disasters, AI enhances the mapping and location of displaced populations. The UN Security Council, therefore, needs to consider a global governance architecture through an intergovernmental process on the use of AI in peace and security, and to map clearly its risks and challenges. On our part, the Pacific leaders have endorsed the Ocean of Peace Declaration. We have declared our region as a zone of peace, where sovereignty, respect, and rights uphold our way of life. A region free from military interference, a region that upholds and sustains peace. In closing, I cannot overemphasize the need for the United Nations Security Council to act in an inclusive process to examine the potential that AI has to offer, including its risks in peace and security. We need to act swiftly together now. Thank you.